back to my channel, and here we are going to construct a circle on this the top face of the oblique cube. So this is the top face. We have done that of the side face, and we want to do that of the top face now. So as I said, that for the front face, the circle is what is a normal circle. The square is also a normal square. But for the side face and the top face, so we have it to be in form of rhombus, not a square as we have here. So to construct a circle on this face, we need to make use of a special method. And as I said, I've used the first method known as the offset method. Now we are using force center approximate method. Force center approximate method, which we have used to construct this circle on this side face. So we want to make use of it to construct a circle on this top face of an oblique cube. Now let's start. So what we need to do is to construct a perpendicular line to point P, to point Q, to point R, and to point S. That's what we need to do. That's what we did for this one. Okay, so let's see how that can be done. So what I need to do, so I put in point on my compass here at this point, and I will make an arc here on this face here. Okay, so then putting at this point for P, so we make an arc here like this. So this is for point P. So I just want to go to this side for point Q. So if I put it at this point here for point Q, so and I make an arc like this. So I've gotten a point of intersection of the arcs for P, which is this point, and point of intersections for Q, which is this point. So what I need to do now is to draw a line from point P passing through the point of intersection of the arcs, and it goes like this. Alright, so then from Q again, I will draw a line passing through the point of intersection of the arcs and meeting this line that we drew from point P. So this goes like this. Okay, so they intersect at this point. So this point where they intersect, I will call it center C1. So this is center C1. Okay, so now we are going to repeat the same thing for R and S. So if I put a point on my compass here at this point for R, so we draw an arc. So like this, we draw an arc like this. Okay, then if I put at this point for R again, so I will draw an arc here. So the arcs intersect at this point. So maybe I will need to go back to this point and extend this arc so that I can have that of S again. So if I put it at this point for S, so I make an arc here. So we have gotten the point of intersection for the that of R, which is this point, and that of S is this point. So what I need to do now is to draw a line from point R passing through the points of intersection of the arcs, and it goes like this. Okay, then I need to draw from S passing through the point of intersection of the arcs, and that goes like this. Okay, so they intersect at this point. So this point where they intersect, I will call it center C2. So that's center C2. Then again, we need to locate point center 1 and center 2. So for center 1, so center 1, where the line that I drew from point P intersect line that I drew from point S here, so is center 1, so which is this point. This is center 1. And center 2, where the line that I drew from Q intersect the line that we drew from R, so this is center 2 here now. So we are going to make use of this center to construct the circle that will look as we have here on the top face of an oblique cube, as we have on that of the side face of an oblique cube. Okay, so starting from center 1 here, so I will extend my compass to point P. So let me check it with point S. So it goes very well. So I'm going to draw an arc like this. I've already gotten what I need, so I just want to make it more feasible. Okay, so I have that arc. So then putting at center 2 here, at center 2, so it touches Q at this point. So if I turn it like this, so it goes to R at this point. So we have the arcs here, we have the arc here. So the next one that I'm going to do is to put a center C1 here, and I will extend it to P at this point. So let me check it. So it goes well. So I will just draw like this. Alright, so we have that done. So next one is that I'll put a center C2 here at this point. Okay, so we need to adjust it to touch point S here. So if I check it with R, okay, alright, so if I draw like this, so it goes straight to R. Okay, so we have the circle now. So this is how to use force center approximate method to construct a circle on the oblique face of an oblique cube. So as simple as I've done it here, all you need to do is to practice. Thank you and God bless you.